There are places on Earth so beautiful, they don't feel real. Places that make you question everything you know about this world. We found them. And today, we're taking you there. We begin in Greece, on a tiny island built on the edge of a volcanic cliff, where the houses are white as snow and the domes burn a deep, impossible blue. This is Santorini, and it's sunrise. There is nowhere on Earth more beautiful. From Greece, we travel to Peru. High in the Andes Mountains sits a city that should not exist. Built 600 years ago without wheels, without iron, without any technology we recognize today. And yet, Machu Picchu still stands. Every morning the clouds roll in from the Amazon below, and for a moment, it disappears into the mist, as if it never wanted to be found. Then comes Switzerland, where the Alps stretch across the heart of Europe like the spine of the Earth itself. In winter the peaks vanish into white. In summer the valleys turn an impossible shade of green. And every single season, the Swiss Alps remind you exactly how small you are. And how lucky. The Maldives. 1,192 islands scattered across the Indian Ocean. The water here is not blue, not turquoise. It is something in between that has no name. You can stand on a sandbank in the middle of the ocean with nothing around you but water and sky, and feel for the first time in your life, completely free. Bora Bora, an ancient volcanic peak rising straight out of the Pacific. Surrounded by a lagoon so clear you can see the ocean floor from 30 meters in the air. They call it the Pearl of the Pacific. And from above, you understand why. Banff National Park, Canada, where the Rocky Mountains meet glacier-fed lakes and the water turns a shade of green so vivid, scientists had to study it to believe it. Lake Louise, Moraine Lake, Peyto Lake, 3 lakes, 3 shades of impossible colour. The most beautiful national park on Earth, the Great Barrier Reef, 2,300 kilometres of living coral off the coast of Australia. It's the largest living structure on the face of the Earth and, it's actually visible from space. To swim here is to enter another world, a world that was old long before humans ever existed. Bolivia, high in the Andes, there is a place where the sky and the Earth become one. Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat. After rain, it becomes the world's largest mirror, the clouds above reflected so perfectly below that you cannot tell where the Earth ends and the sky begins. And finally, Iceland, the Northern Lights, green, purple, pink, dancing across the sky in complete silence. No photograph captures it, no camera does it justice. You have to stand beneath it, in the freezing cold, in the dark, and look up. And when you do, something happens to you. You remember how ancient this planet is, how fragile, how extraordinary. We have one Earth, one pale blue dot spinning through the darkness of space. And it is the most beautiful thing in the known universe. Subscribe for a new journey every week, and tell me below, which place is calling your name? The world is waiting. Where will you go first?